Chocolate chip banana bread, a delicious twist on the classic with added chocolate chips for a decadent treat. The combination of chocolate and bananas is irresistible. Peanut butter banana bread. This variation incorporates creamy peanut butter into the batter, resulting in a rich and flavorful loaf with a hint of nuttiness. Coconut banana bread. Shredded coconut adds sweetness and a tropical flair to banana bread, transporting you to a sunny island with every bite. Blueberry banana bread. Fresh or frozen blueberries are folded into the batter, infusing each slice with bursts of juicy sweetness and vibrant color. Maple pecan banana bread. A delightful combination of maple syrup and chopped pecans adds a warm, comforting flavor profile to a traditional banana bread. Oatmeal banana bread. Rolled oats provide texture and a hearty, wholesome flavor to banana bread, making it a filling breakfast or snack option. Cinnamon swirl banana bread. A ribbon of cinnamon sugar is swirled throughout the batter, creating a fragrant and cozy loaf that's perfect for enjoying with a cup of coffee or tea.